Jai everyone. My today's lecture topic is Indo-China relations. I'll be covering my topic in 5 parts, that is introduction, political and border disputes, economic and trades, security and strategic relations, and cultural exchanges, and at last conclusion. The Indian-China relations are most significantly very compact from ancient civilization, which includes vast populations and also growing economics. The Indian-China relations have been witnessed moreover comparisons, competitions, and conflict. Indian-China relations are from very ancient times, as from ancient Silk routes to Buddhism being spread in China, which influenced the Chinese cultures and traditions. The political strategies and border disputes in the 1962 war, which was fought between India and China, was the most significant war over both the countries. It was the war over the disputed area of Aksai Chin and Arunachal Pradesh. Moreover, China won the war, leaving a legacy of mistrust. Second, the clashes are being done in the recent times, such as the Galwan Valley clash in 2020, which also gave casualties to both the countries, resulting in manpower loss. Despite these relations and disputes, both the countries are maintaining high-level talks, summits to maintain the mechanisms to keep peace between both the countries. The cultural exchanges, both the countries are exchanging students, and also cultural programs are being held. And at last, I want to conclude by saying that both the countries have been maintaining the relations to maintain a global peace and to maintain their position in Asia, where both the countries are big in their population size and economics, and also it will help in stabilizing the global peace. Thank you.